Hello, today we're going to talk about how to create a pivot table. So in this video, we've been assigned to kind of show how we're going to be able to create a pivot table based on the average sales price per building square foot by state. So in our data, we're going to go to Excel. So we have all of our data right here. And we're going to use this data and we're going to create a pivot table. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all the values. We're just going to do Control A since it gets everything in one go. No dragging involved. And we're just going to go insert, and we're going to go insert pivot table, and it's automatically going to do the area that I've highlighted right here. So if we go back to the assignment, we'll see that we have an average sales price. So we have building per square foot by state. So we need three different things to kind of create this pivot table. So we go back to this chart, and the first thing we're going to use is state. So we're going to use state as our role. So we talk about the state. All this is by state, so we want to classify it by state. And then we're going to do sales in our values, and we're going to do sales price as well in our values. So we have two different values, and we all have it by states here. So we do the value settings, and we're going to go to average. Now what we're going to change here, that's not it. We're going to go to number format, and we're going to change this to US dollars, just so keep it. We see the dollar sign. So this is the average of all the sales in each state combined. So we have a grand total of what, 2 million or so. So now we're going to do the same thing for sales price per square foot. Go to value settings, and then we're going to go to average as well. Again, we're going to go to currency. We have the currency right here, and then we're just going to press OK. So now we have a complete pivot table. We go back to the assignment showing the average sales price per building per square foot by state. Discussing, excuse me. So we have each one. We have Alabama, so this is the average price of the sales, and then per square foot, you're getting about roughly $514.59. So you can kind of take this into account into how we can see how each one, the square footage, whereas in Maryland, you can see that's a little bit higher, and as in Colorado. Now the highest is Virginia. I mean, you can think about that for certain reasons, but what's surprising here is how low California is with 318. So this is how you created a pivot table, and I hope you've enjoyed my video.